In this video, we're going to be learning about the nature of God. Our first objective is to describe the supreme nature of God. God is a supreme being. The word supreme means highest in rank or authority. God is exalted high above all spiritual and natural beings. There is no authority or power higher than that of God. God is supreme in knowledge and wisdom. You're going to pause the video and do this activity. Use the web strategy to brainstorm the meaning of the word supreme. If you do not want to do this activity, you can just go on. There is another activity for you. Pause the video to do this one. Draw a visual image to show God as a supreme being. For example, you might want to draw a ladder or a high building with God's name at the top. Use your imagination to come up with some ideas. Objective 2. We're going to prove or verify through evidence in the scriptures that God is supreme. The supremacy of God is revealed in the Holy Scriptures. So you're going to take a look at 1 Chronicles chapter 29, verse 11 and 12, and look at how it describes God as being the head of all things. Proverbs 21, verse 30 states that God's wisdom cannot be compared to any other God or human being. In 2 Chronicles, it states that he rules over the kingdoms of the nations. And you can find that in 2 Chronicles chapter 20, verse 6. In a contest on Mount Carmel, God used the prophet Elijah to demonstrate to King Ahab and the prophets of Baal that he was indeed the only true God. Pause the video if you would like to do activity 3. You're going to use the Good News Bible or any Bible you have available to locate and discuss the following scriptures. You can also try out activity 4. Get together and put a skit together and call it Showdown on Mount Carmel Mountain. Be creative. In objective 3, we will discover how God's supremacy should be reverenced. God's supremacy should be acknowledged and reverenced by mankind. Human beings should reverence God through prayer, worship, and praise. Individuals should always acknowledge their total dependency on God. Pause the video if you would like to try your activity 5. In your groups, you are going to put together a poem about God's supremacy. You can also do this on your own. Have fun creating a poem about God's supremacy. You've come to the end of this lesson. I hope you learned a lot. Bye.